What is the first word that come up in your mind when you hear the word social media? Is it Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Messenger, and or YouTube? In today's generation, or what we call Gen Z's generation, one of the most existing technological platform that exists in every aspects of society, community, and even in around the world is the social media. Whenever you look around, you always see people who's using, looking, and scrolling to their phones, even the young children. Social media is a worldwide platform where anyone can able to access, to put contents and grab information as long as they have technological tools such as smartphones, cell phones, and laptops. Many people use social media to interact and communicate others through messaging, comments, likes, share, and posting contents as long as they have data connection. Social media platform is the best way to communicate others who live in far away. This platform includes Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Messenger, and even the WordPress. Here's the tips to be responsible user of media and information.
Be mindful of your emotions.
Before you post anything online, make sure that that content can affect others' emotion or other reputation.
Don't be glued to your smartphone.
Don't spend too much time by using your phone. Take quality time to your family and friends. It is very advantageous to develop your self-esteem and self-confidence. Don't plagiarize. Give credit to the owner whenever you use information and grab information.
Avoid accidentally sharing personal details.
Do the rules.
Always know the rules, because if you know the rules, everything will put into right places. It's either your information, your accounts,